phone that keeps bouncing back and forth. Where's your beacon located at?
It's behind that windowsill.
Okay. I'm just gonna take a look at it, make sure it's not tampered with, and you're good to go. Okay?
Alright. They left it because they didn't really install it. They just kind of put it down there. They were like, if I get some tape, I can tape it up. And then when I called the monitoring center and I was like, yo, they told me taped up. They're like, you're not allowed to touch it. And I'm like,
right.
Officer Reimer and Officer Canty told me to.
Right, yeah.
But they didn't tell us that. And I'm like, this is why I need people to talk to each other. Because if I try to obey, that's my ass. I got multiple now. Like, we found the make, we found the model, we found.
You know, supposedly on this new program, it's supposed to give like better service. Until then, you just got to bear with what we got. You know what I mean? Yeah. So, other than that, man, if you're good, we're good. Go ahead and pop the cuffs off and go about your business, whatever you got to do. Just call to verify, like, hey, you get my paperwork and it's approved, right?
Mm-hmm.
What's going to happen is, let's say you're in violation, you're going to say, I sent the paper. They're going to say, well, you're still not supposed to move until it's approved. You see what I'm trying to say?
No, but I was getting the approval emails with the time and everything.
Okay.